Hey journal friends, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I plan on going through this. There's a mess in here. I'm going through the May issue of Real Simple, and we're going to get collage images if there is any. I'm hoping to finish up my journaling or do a little journaling for today, and that's it. This is the Sprocket photo paper. I saved this box because I blew through this box of paper. And I get them on Amazon for like $21 to $24. I get the 50 pack because I'm a beast and that's how I roll. So if you want to do a little journaling and go through this issue of Real Simple and find some fun collage images, then stick around. Okay, I'm gonna blow through this because I have got to get ready for work. So I gotta blow dry my hairs and take my nail polish off. That's such a drag that I can't wear nail polish. So I'm going to try and not dilly-dally. Bathing suits, oh look at her. Elmette, that is some big hair. Ooh, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. And I'm probably not gonna like cut out the whole entire thing now, but it's just so pretty. What does it say? Why do you go away so that you can come back? So that you can see the place you came from with new eyes and extra colors. Oh, I love that. That is from Terry Pratchett, A Hat Full of Sky. Must be a book. I cleaned out my tray except for a few little collage images and a Sprocket photo. So got a fresh tray here. So we're ready to rock and roll. Oh, minted. I kind of like this light bulb. It's kind of cool. I don't know why I like it, but it'd be kind of fun, I think. If you cut it out and then like hung it up. Or hung it from the top of your page. That could be fun, or it could just be weird. I don't know. Garbage. Put the garbage pile down here. We are not wasting time today. That's a cute red phone, but it's very big. The downfall and the upside of an A6 is you don't have a lot of room to spare. I kind of like this sky. I feel like this sky is applicable because this is how the spring sky has been lately. You make a fun background. And like I said, if I don't use them, I just pitch them. So, oh look at this, that's cute. I like that. Little gal drinking coffee. Sorry, I'm caffeinated this morning because I had some pre-workout before I went to my gym class and then did my run. So what is this? It's a lot of a dog. I'm not sure. I had to keep checking to make sure you guys are in frame. That's cute. I am all about this trend of the wide leg pants coming back because for a thickly calfed lady, let me tell you that the skinny jeans trend is not friendly. What's something you used to feel self-conscious about but don't anymore? Actually, my calves. I used to feel very self-conscious about my calves. They are meaty. They are meaty calves. One time Henry called me beefy legs, and he's 8. Like, he didn't even think that was an insult. We were going to the pool and he's like, hey, beefy legs. And I was like, what? What did you call me? And he's like, beefy legs? And I was like, fair enough. They are beefy. They are beefy and they are legs. So I told him, maybe don't say that to other people. That's all right with me, but. So where was I going? Yes, used to feel very self-conscious about my calves, and now I just realized they're my calves, and they're very thick because I am an active person and I like to work out. So they just tend to build muscle more than other people's calves. More than almost anyone's calves. The only thing about skinny jeans is it's really hard to find jeans that fit my waist and then will also fit my calves. That was a very big tangent about my calves. So welcome to my channel. Let's see. It's kind of a weird, I don't know, I don't think I need that guy. Oh, I like this. I don't really need the teepee, but I like this stars and the saying. While you're busy exploring the world, take a moment to discover your place within it. I love that. Love it. You know what? I use these little pictures of food a lot, but I won't probably use any of those pictures of food. If your walls could talk, well, I'm sure glad they can't. Oh, that's pretty. Addie would like that page. She loves purple. That makes me laugh. For some reason, that really makes me laugh. So we're going to have to cut it out. You know why it makes me laugh is because while my parents are still in Florida, I'm taking care of their cat, Tom. And let me tell you, Tom's litter box could knock you. I mean, if he poops and you come in the room like within an hour of it happening, you will choke to death. Like the air and the oxygen in the room is sucked out and you will choke to death. I really didn't, I didn't warn Michael of that before he went to feed Tommy while we were gone. And he called me and he's like, oh my God, I think that cat's intestines are dead. And I was like, it's possible. It's possible. I like this. I like this a lot. Hey, new moms, you're beautiful. That is cool. I like that. Something you guys may not know about me, I used to have, well, I still have it. I just don't update it. I had a blog called realnewmom.blogspot.com. And it was, I started it right after I had Henry because I was at home, like chained to a breast pump and a newborn, and I was depressed. And it was a really great outlet for me. It was amazing, and I had so much fun with it. And yeah, so if you want to check that out, I can link it below. It's not monetized or anything. I mean, I don't do anything much on it anymore because I don't have time. And I started this little venture, which fills the same creative urge in me as blogging used to. And it was before the whole start of like the mommy blogger blogs kind of craze. And I really enjoyed it when I had it. So if you are in that position where you just had a baby or you know someone who's having a baby, they might enjoy it. It's it's funny. It's not sometimes appropriate. So, but that's just me. That's me in a nutshell.
Funny, sometimes not appropriate.
So that's my blog. And you know, it's funny when you go back in it, like I was reading it a while ago and, in the beginning, I could tell that I censored myself, but towards the end, like after I had Addie, I was like, yeah, I'm going to say what I want to say because being a mom is some real-ish, so they need to know the real story. I like this, but I don't think I'd use it. Some of you, you know, it was really funny after I started my blog. I mean, only about 4 people read it, like my mom and like my best friends. But that was about it. But one day I had logged back on. This was after I had taken a pretty significant break from doing it because, you know, small children. And this was like right when Pinterest got like fired up. And someone had pinned one of my blog posts about how to take care of well,
your vagina
after you have a baby. And it like went viral, like on Pinterest. And all these new moms were posting this. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And so I looked at the analytics, and it was like 2 million views. Like, I mean, it took a long time to get that high, but I mean, at the time, I think maybe it said like 10,000 or something views on that blog post. And I was like, 10,000? What? Like, who's reading this? But it turns out it was that post. It was actually called Undie Sunday. And like ice cream sundae, except undies. And I think it actually still drives quite a bit of traffic to my blog. These are pretty little illustrations. We've talked about the florals. How many florals can one person use? Let's see. I'm cruising and I am talking super fast. Oh. I like this stuff. I like this. I need to try and get more sleep. So I like this because I am a night owl. Since I work evening shift, a lot of times it's hard for me to go to sleep right away when I get home. And so I read, or my latest obsession has been watching episodes of A Discovery of Witches. I like this. No apologies. I like that. This is a full pager. I'm just going to cut out the full page because I don't know what I might want from it, but I love this kind of illustration. And we've talked about this is why I love Real Simple for these illustrations. Ooh, this is tough. Let me cut out. Well, I don't know which one I want, so I'll just kind of keep them both. Oh, look at that! No apologies for being a cat person. Oh my god, it's like they're speaking to my soul. Oh my god, it's a whole article about being a cat person. Oh my god, I'm obsessed, you guys. I think I might have to cut out that whole article, except for this is so pretty too. But I think I need the cat person one. Maybe this will help me explain to people why I love cats. These are fun. Oh, look at it. She's got like cat wallpaper. That's my kind of lady. This chattiness is all over the freaking place, you guys. I'm so sorry. If this is the first time to my little corner of YouTube, I apologize that I'm a little scattery today. It's partly the caffeine, partly trying to hurry to get ready. Got a lot to do, got a lot to do. So, let's keep flipping. Oh goodness, lots of bathing suits. I got my bathing suit at Target and I actually really like it because it's I've got a long torso and it fits really well. I'm going to take the kids to South Dakota. I remember going on amazing vacations to South Dakota when I was little with my grandma and grandpa and my mom and dad. We had a little pop-up camper and we went to stay at Hart Ranch in South Dakota. And I have the best memories of like horseback riding, and I love that picture of a cat and that little, oh look at this, self-care practices for realists. Well, this is cool because you know how many YouTube channels I see post like my morning self-care routine. Okay, well, let's be realistic. I don't have time to get up and quietly sip a cup of tea and ruminate on, you know, world peace and global warming and what I'm going to do to help the earth that day. I sleep until the last possible second because I'm tired, because I work and I have 2 kids, and then I have to get them up and get them ready for school, take them to school, go work out, go to work, get ready, do laundry, clean my house. I just love the self-care regimes of 22-year-olds who are still in college and have no children. Like, you live your life, girl. You take care of yourself, because those days are numbered. You've got small kids and it just ain't happening. It just ain't happening. And that's why I'm trying to get back into it now, because I've been out of it for a while, and you notice when you stop paying attention to yourself, because you got to take care of you before you can take care of other people.
You can't fill from an empty cup.
Isn't that like a saying or something? That's it. That is that magazine done. All right, let's see where we're at for time. 17 minutes. I'm coming at you now with a voiceover because I got so distracted that I stopped talking. So I'm just sticking in some stickers. Those were the Happy Girl stickers, and that one, I don't know, I think she's got like pom-poms or something. She's just very excited. And I put day 1 because that was the first day of my new like gym routine thing, class. And then that picture there is a picture, like a mural-y type painting that my kids are making to submit to the science and art fair at school. And they're very excited about it. It's not finished quite yet, but they worked on it last night, and it is so stinking cute. I'll have to show you when it's done. And I'm just throwing in a sticker for this morning because there was a random picture of a kettlebell, which was appropriate for this morning. And then I wrote 7 a.m. because if I'm going to get up at 7 a.m., then I'm going to document it. And then I'm just journaling about my first day back at like a workout class. And then my kids doing their project for the school art fair. Last year they did a science project about the solar system, so I think it's really cool that this year they wanted to do an art project, and they chose to do it together, which is super cute. So man, I love those little turds. And then I'm watercoloring with my Jane Davenport Brights palette, so you know, no surprise there. Just adding in some color. I love these palettes. I don't know if they're still available because I heard wind of rumors that they were going away, so I don't know. And then I'm using what we just cut out, that no apologies for being a cat person, and I put it on the other side of my little cat tip-in along with the cat picture. And then I think I find a sticker of a little person in a cat costume head or something, which, you know, I love it, so that had to go on there. And that looks just about crazy enough to call it a day. So that was my journaling for today. It was quick, but I had fun and it was relaxing before I leave for work. And I love that cat tip-in. Can't get enough of it. I hope you enjoyed going through the magazine. We've got all these collage images now. Fresh collage images. I love it. So I hope you guys had fun. Thanks for hanging out with me, and have a great day. Bye.